How are we all doing? Hope everyone's keeping well as usual. So this evening I hoovered all the dust out of the bush. I changed all the waxy caps. We heard it going in the last video, which was quite amazing. And I removed that large electrolytic. I have no idea why it was fitted. There was nothing wrong with the ones that are in it. Maybe someone was just trying to add in a bit of extra smoothing or whatever, but I took it out. And lubricated all the dial pulleys and the little ball race in the VC. Took the back of the dial off and cleaned all the dust out of that. It was filthy. So we'll just have a listen now and we'll just have a little tune around on it just to let you hear how it's performing. I'm very happy with it. Didn't touch the alignment or anything like that. I think it's quite sensitive enough. I don't think there's any need to go messing with it. It's working quite well. Obviously the old EM34 is completely dead, which is the common thing, and they're ridiculous money now. I was looking online, some people are looking for like 100 quid for one, so it won't be getting one. So we're on shortwave 3 here, which is up here, so we're on the 49 meter band. So we'll just have a quick spin around, let you hear it going. I'll whiz down here to the 80 meter band. Heard a bit of LSP in the 80 meter amateur band there. Bit of Steely Dan, can't go wrong with that. Turn off the light there so you can listen. You can see how nice the dial is when it's lit up in the dark. It's a rather nice display. That's Shanwick. Jesus, he's still alive. Brother Star from the Overcomer Ministries. He must be about 90 now. The most broadcast man in the world. Apparently he rented he rented so much airtime on shortwave. He's the most broadcast man in the world. So I heard anyway. Bit of 40 meter action. I don't know what that interference is. It's not something that's coming from my house, so it must be coming from a neighbour. Unfortunately. Let's see. Try 2. So we're up here now.
No, yo no lo sé, y no estoy seguro que
25 meter band.
pues hay estudios en
Contexte aujourd'hui.
Don't think there's any point going to up here. It's the wrong time of day really, but we might hear something. This is between 13 megahertz to 22 megahertz band spread, 19 and 16 meters. No, band's closed at this time of night. Right, we'll tilt down to medium wave. So we're up here now, medium wave.
A volume.
Just about make up Dutch Pirate there at the top of the medium wave band.
In a bag and they move on.
Absolutely. I know you're going to pick rough for our next feature. Sign now. Pick our man of the band.
Venues y trabajar por un acuerdo is exciting, but they need that. Might be because of who they've got next. They've got Liverpool next, so you're going to have to put in, you know, the physical players, the players that are going to run. You probably might not play.
Right, and long wave.
It doesn't trump national
Radio
laws
4.
in Europe. It doesn't trump our
1500,
commitment to and our
1498,
requirement to
I think it
comply
is
and
now.
obey all UK laws and all laws in every market where we.
Country houses, grabbed every shotgun they could get their hands
RTE
on.
Radio on.
Anybody they knew.
That's it. So as you can see, the old RF stage makes her quite a sensitive set. Anyway, that's it. I just thought you'd give you a quick look at that. I haven't done anything with the cabinet on it, and I'm not likely to touch the cabinet anytime in the near future. But I'll probably just give it a good deep clean. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I should have a few more videos coming out soon. And I'll talk to you soon anyway. Take care for now.